welcome back. We are here at CES at the John Deere booth, amazing booth, and I'm joined today by
Sauder. I'm the Director of Product Management and User Experience for the Intelligent Solutions that's John Deere's technology arm.
Fantastic, man. It's a beautiful booth so far. How's this show going for you guys?
The show's going great. We're really excited to talk to all kinds of folks about the power of technology in agriculture. We're really focusing on data, digitalization, connectivity, and how advanced technologies help farmers do more with less, meet some of the big challenges that our world faces, like producing a reliable and safe food supply.
That's fantastic. And you touched on data, and it seems to be a big thread running through the whole show from the automotive industry, and I'm glad that you said this, because how are you guys using that data to empower the farmers to make more educated decisions?
Yeah, that's a big focus of ours. So as you look around this booth, you see all of this equipment. And this equipment does valuable jobs in the field. But one of the things that equipment also does is collect data from each step in the production cycle. And that data is brought into the John Deere Operations Center. That's our digital platform where farmers can monitor and control their fleet of equipment, and they can also leverage that data to understand the outcomes that were achieved. And so, if you look behind us here, you're looking at a cotton harvester. That harvester is harvesting those big bales of cotton, but it's also helps the farmer understand the scorecard for their entire growing season, and helps them understand where can they make better decisions, where could they put down more fertilizer, maybe change some of their planting practices or other things. And so that data in the form of great digital tools helps farmers make better decisions, and it's all done by connecting that data into the John Deere Operations Center.
That's amazing. So you touched on how you're empowering the farmers with this data. One of the challenges that I've heard from a lot of the different auto OEMs and everything is that these big organizations oftentimes work in silos, right? No pun intended, since we're in
right, exactly.
farming,
So
right? It was
good.
pretty good, right? But you would almost think that was intentional. So a lot of these big companies are working in silos, and they have data that they're collecting for internal use. How is John Deere overcoming those traditional silos of, the different departments, from manufacturing to software to consumer experience, and collaborating with each other to develop more innovative products?
Yeah, so in the part of the business that I work in, we're really focused on customer-facing technology products. And as you look at large equipment to mobile apps, clearly that's going to take a number of teams working together to create those end-to-end solutions. So it's always a challenge in a big organization. What we found and what we try to do is it first begins with a clear and compelling vision. What customer problem can we rally around to solve together? Because if you can get folks across different disciplines, whether you make tractors or whether you make hardware components or whether you develop digital apps, if you're all focused on solving a customer problem, that goes a long ways to driving alignment. And then creating teams that are empowered to go solve those problems, obviously within certain guardrails around our strategy. But we really look at that combination of a product manager, an engineering lead, and a UX designer as being that three in the box that are the really critical ingredients to bring together engineering capabilities, user experience, and good product management. That's the ingredient of a healthy, empowered team. And we obviously have a long ways to go to get to make improvements, but we've really found tremendous success in using that model.
Fantastic. And one last question for you. What are you most excited about moving into 2024 for John Deere?
I'm most excited about the impact that this technology is making in our customers' lives. As you look around the show at CES, there's all kinds of future ideas. The technology we're seeing in this booth is on customer farms today. It's making a real impact, whether that's technology that is reducing herbicide use by 2/3, or whether it's an autonomous tractor that helps the farmer do more with less, be in two places at once, and get work done with a higher quality of life. Technology is being put to work in the real world, and it's enhancing people's lives and tackling some of the biggest problems that we face as a planet. So that's really exciting, and we're excited to do more of that in next year.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Doug.
You're welcome.
Have a great show.